Hello everyone, in this video you'll learn how to create an account on the Scratch platform that you'll be using for your lesson. So first of all, you will open your web browser. So for example, I'm using Google Chrome here, and then I will just search on the web page. I will just search scratch.mit.edu. So this will bring me to the Scratch web page, and I can just enter. So once I've entered, I will enter the Scratch platform. What I have to do is to just click on Join Scratch to create an account on Scratch. You can choose any username you want. So just type it in. And then you will create a password. So just remember your password. And then just type in the same password again. After you have done so, just click Next. Just select which country you are living in, Singapore, and then just click Next again. Just place your birth date, and then just click Next. You can just fill in your information, and just type in your email. So make sure that it's an email that you can access and that you can use. And then you can just click on Create Your Account. So once you have done so, you can just click on Get Started, and you'll immediately be logged into your Scratch account that you can use for your lesson.